Here we will discuss about selection. Selecting a number from n number of items. In conventional way, whenever we are selecting r number from n number, we will say it n c r. We are using the combination logic and we are making this selection like that. We will take example of that selection wherever we can find the numbers of selection, let's say for forming group, formation of groups. This type we want to discuss. Here also formation of groups of two types, type 1, and let's say I will discuss another type 2. In these two types you can find, actually I have given 9 player. From 9 player you need to form groups of 2, 3 and 4 players. Whenever you are forming 3 groups, let's say I want to form 3 groups. 3 groups I have to form from 9 player. Type 1, wherever it is 2, 3, 4 number of players. And type 2, where 3, 3, 3 number of players. What is the difference? Whenever type 1, I am considering that from 9 player, 3 groups has been formed. Now, in that particular 3 groups, you will be able to find the numbers are different. So, if I am taking these 2% first, so it should be written as 9C 2 ways, I can select 2%. Then from 7, I am taking 3 of them. So it should be 7C3, these multiplied by that, and after that 4 people will remain 4C4. So that many ways I can select, I can form 3 groups. From 9 player, 3 groups of number 2, 3, 4. And simplification of that, it would give me the result of 9 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Interesting point is, which one I am selecting first, it will be cancelled out whenever I am making the calculation. So first it is 2% or 3% or 4% is not important. But the numbers, these 2, 3, 4 are distinct. In this case, these numbers are not distinct. So I can call it, this group is distinguishable. Distinguishable groups, and this group is indistinguishable. Because all of these 3 numbers are same, and every time you are forming this group, that first you have taken ABC or DEF, these one you will not be able to separate out. So what you have to do, what extra things you have to do, as for the last one, whatever I am doing, from that this entire thing I need to divide by 3 factorial, because these 3 can rearrange among themselves in 3 factorial ways. So it would be nothing but similarly 9C3 into 6C3 into 3C3. First I will do so, and I need to divide by 3 factorial. So basically, here indistinguishable extra 3 factorial, because they can rearrange among themselves in 3 factorial way. So my answer, it should be 9 factorial by 3 factorial to the power 4. So it is basically, I am forming group. I am taking some of them together to form a group. And the number, whenever I am forming, these are distinguishable or indistinguishable. So this way, selecting a number from n numbers of items, that I have done and formed group formation.